Have you ever considered what procrastinating cost you? I'm going to share a couple things from clients, people in my life that kind of really hit home the point of the cost of procrastination. I've known people it's cost them a promotion. They were definitely qualified to do the job, but they always put things off to the last minute, and that bothered colleagues. It caused them additional stress. They felt like they were unreliable and they were really good at their job. I also had someone who procrastinated on a relationship and didn't take it to the next level. And so the woman left. But because he procrastinated, he really cared for her, he potentially lost the best thing in his life. Procrastinating also costs you peace of mind. Most of us don't like doing things at the last minute and having stress piled upon us. If you have time to do things, you can pace it out, you can manage it, break it down into manageable steps. But if you are always waiting to the last minute to do things, that can cause an incredible amount of stress. The biggest thing that I know that someone lost by procrastinating was over $250,000. Yes, you heard that correctly. This was about purchasing a condo in California. They just kept putting it off, and it was in the same city, so it's a definite comparable comparison. And someone else bought the condo, ended up selling, made over $250,000, and this person could have done the same thing. So instead of potentially making $250,000, they don't own, still rent, and now are paying an exorbitant amount of rent and haven't built equity or anything. That's the biggest thing that I can think of knowing someone who procrastinated. If you got clutter, if you're disorganized, you probably procrastinate. You're overwhelmed, and that keeps you stuck. That means you are unable to move forward. You're not sharing your passions. You're not sharing your gifts with the world. Those are just a few examples of how I've seen with friends and clients how procrastination has hurt them and not helped them. Why do you think you procrastinate? Join our class on February 26th, links below. We'd love to have you. We're going to talk about how to stop procrastination, the major reasons why people procrastinate. And one thing is people lack confidence. So we're going to talk about the emotional clutter of self-doubt and how we can clear that and gain confidence. We hope to see you there. The class is 2 hours long. An hour of that is a Q&A. So get some coaching on moving forward and procrastinating less. We don't expect you to never procrastinate again. What we're trying to do is get you out of the habit of procrastinating all the time. And so then when you do, it's just on occasion. We're keeping it real.